Hi, good day. I am Father Kim Joshua Bibon. I belong to batch 2008 of Sacred Heart School. I was very young then when I entered Sacred Heart School. But I remember when I was on grade 3, there was this priest who was asking us during the Mass, sino ang gustong maging pari dito? But lo and behold, I just raised my hands and said, I want to become a priest. And since then, I pursued that dream, that desire. And I realized Sacred Art School has been influential to my vocation simply because it nurtured me, it helped me to know who this God is, who this Jesus is, no? Through those various faith formation activities like retreats, recollections, regular celebration of the Eucharist, First Communion, Confirmation Day, no? I think that is one of the most important thing that a Catholic school should have, no? How they could nurture one's vocation. And I could also thank the reparatrix sisters, no, who have been instrumental to me since then. They are mother's figure to me at that time. And they also let me know who this God is through their humble and very motherly and maternally care to us, their students. No? And I think Sacred Heart School has that potential to really nurture vocation. And so I thank God for having Sacred Heart School, and may God continue to bless that school. Amen.